Hey guys, so again, we are doing a room tour. After we've got settled in a bit, we went to Magic Kingdom while we were waiting for the room to be ready, and we were just crazy, really sweaty and gross, and I really just needed to clean up and feel a little human again before I did this video. But anyway, it is October 17th, 2018, and we have just checked into a Treehouse villa at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. So let's have a look at the Treehouse. Okay, so we're actually going to start in the hall bathroom. So we got a nice shower, beautiful stone flooring, toilet, nice sink, well themed, good size. So this is shared by two bedrooms that we're going to look at here. Right here we've got the washer and dryer is in the hallway, and then this is the bigger bed of the two bedrooms. This is a 3-bedroom space, but this is a bigger bed. Really pretty windows, great view all the way around. We'll check out this closet real quick. Nice size closet, pretty good closet. Not bad. This is definitely a good space for a little bit of a longer stay. We'll come back out into the hallway.
Mommy.
That's my daughter. So we've got, this is the other bedroom. So we've got bunk beds in here. Nice, good sized dresser. Again, another closet. I'm sure this is just the same thing. Yep, nice closet. Looks like we've actually got a crib in here, so you don't have to request one. Okay, great view. So nice shelf right here. Bunk beds out this window. These are actually the stairs up to the Treehouse we're staying in right now, and that's our deck, which we will check out later. Nice fun little ladder up, that's great for the kids. And this is the big main room. So we've got a nice galley kitchen. Again, beautiful stone floors, microwave, fridge. When you're standing at this beautiful stone countertop, you look right out into the, gorgeous view again. I'm sure this is fully stocked. I'm not going to go through all the cabinets. So there's our front door. This is where we come in. We've got a closet right here. And kitchen table. Chair here. This is a pull-out. So you got another bed here. I believe this is a pull-out as well for another bed. And then we'll come into the master, which is where we will be staying. My family is joining us. We've got a nice drawer here. Another beautiful picturesque window. Good sized bed, beautiful theming. We're gonna come into the master bath over here. Beautiful stone countertop again. I like the detail with the faucet. To the right, we've got the toilet. And then in here, we've got a stand-up shower, as well as a nice deep soaking tub. And nice frosted window so you get that sunlight, but you don't have to worry about anyone seeing you. And that is that's it. That's the Treehouse at Saratoga Springs. We'll grab another video outside so you can see the view out there, and yeah, do that in a minute. So this is our little balcony. That's the steps down to the main path. We've got this balcony here, good size, lots of people could hang out up here. And look at that, a nice water view. Okay, so that's the Treehouse Villas at Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. Thanks for watching, guys, and you have a great day. We're in Treehouse 7027. Thanks for watching.